Hello friends, my name is Paramveer Singh Gill and I am a digital networker. Today's topic is what is what passive income means. If you can see in the picture, I will ask the same question from you. You can see in the picture dollars are coming and person is simply sleeping and enjoying his vacations. Is it like this? Is it like this forever? No, it isn't not like this. Passive income is not like whichever concept is present in market. You do not need to work for money. You this simply means you do not need to work for money. You work when you want to work, where you want to work, whenever you want to work. This simply means passive income. You are working not just for money. This is the passive income. And it, it doesn't require much effort to build passive income. That we will discuss in subsequent topics, subsequent videos. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. But most important thing about passive income is that benefits of passive income. You understand what does passive income means? I can give more example for the clarity. If a singer recorded a song and that got hit in YouTube or any other channel, he what he will get? He will get royalty whenever he will got more views, more CDs will get sold. And for example, a hit writer, best-selling writer wrote a book, and whenever the book will get sold, he will get the royalty. This is a passive income. Means you can also see here they are also working. You have to works, but they are not working like many other peoples on the in this world. 95% peoples are working 9 to 5. They work not for their passion, they work for their living. This is called rat race. So passive income, when you come out of your rat race, you are working not for money but for the income. I think you got the idea. We will discuss in subsequent videos also. And main center point is that benefits of passive income. What is the main benefits of passive income? Let's discuss. I will tell you not single but the four benefits of passive income. First benefit is you can pay off your debt fast. Whatever loan, whatever debt you have, you can pay that fast. Whenever when you start working for passive income, you definitely have active income, and the passive income that will start growing, and you can pay off your credit card loans, your home loan extra very fast. And second, true financial independent. As I already told, you don't need to work for your living. You work for your passion. You work whenever you want, whatever you want. Third main advantage is work location flexibility. For example, Chetan Bhagat, he wherever he want to write his novel, he can write. Any other singer, wherever he want to sing his song, he or she can sing, right? So you will have work location flexibility. You can choose wherever you want to work. And last but not the least, if you are not working for money, you can go for vacation at any time, because the money cash flow is keep on going, so that you no need to work for money. You don't need to work regularly for 9 to 5 job. This is the main advantage. So you can plan your retirement as you want. This is all. And in the subsequent videos, I will tell you what we are actually doing. I will discuss in detail the difference between the active income, whatever 95% people of this world are doing, and rest 5, what 5% are doing, who are earning passive income, and 95% active income. And why they are doing so, why the 95 people of the world are trapped in this trap of active income. Why so, we will discuss in next videos. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.